Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Today we are up on a new different project which is finding alternatives to Shein and Club Factory. So okay, shopping isn't that deep, okay, only when you get a lot of stuff for free. You know, when you are a blogger, fashion blogger, something and you get a lot of stuff for free, you don't actually have any problem with such apps being banned, right? Number one. But when you are a person like me who is always on some sort of budget, because I splurge my money on a lot of things like makeup, skincare, this and that, and I have to be like cutting my cost on a lot of things. So if you say that I can spend like thousands and thousands of rupees on just a top, no, I cannot. I have to be restricted on the budget, and I know that many people in this country, a lot of young girls like me, actually have the same thing called as budget. That is what this video is about today. We are going to have like category wise alternatives for Shein and Club Factory. If you want to watch just one particular type of category, I'll give you the timestamps. You know, you can check them out and skip to that part itself. But if you want to see the whole video, then let's keep on watching. Let's go. The first thing itself, you know, I think the very first thing that I want to talk about Shein is the fact that they had some really chic, pretty and very affordable stuff. You know, most of the stuff was very affordable as compared to many other brands and websites. Also at the same time, so the sort of stuff Shein and Club Factory used to have, it was like, of course, it was from China. So it wasn't something you can find in India that easily. It isn't available. Let's be honest with that. It isn't available. So that was one thing about Shein and Club Factory which made it very different than other you know, brands and companies and e-commerce websites, and I think that is one reason why it was such a successful site. They were a successful site, right? So we have to be very sure that what I'm talking about is actually same as the cost of the Shein and Club Factory. So the very first category that we have is clothing. The clothing of Shein was very different than what you can usually find on any other website, but definitely what's gone is gone and you cannot get that back. But the alternative for Shein, the very first clothing alternative for Shein is Ajio. Now Ajio does have some really pretty clothing, and you know, the Ajio exclusive Ajio brand will have a lot of exclusive clothing that you cannot buy in any other brand. Then second, I would say if you want to go for exclusive ethnic stuff, I would definitely say check out LimeRoad and as well as Myntra, because they have some really exclusive ethnic stuff, right? And I think LimeRoad in the western stuff as well is now venturing out, so you can definitely try LimeRoad. Those really chic, affordable tops and t-shirts and all that stuff. But I would highly recommend you Ajio, because I think the t-shirts you can find on Ajio, oh my god, you cannot find it anywhere. I really loved the sort of stuff they had and it was mind-blowing. So yeah. The second up will be footwear. Now Shein footwear was much costly than what a Chinese footwear stuff should have been, so I've never really bought footwear for Shein from Shein itself. My first preference for footwear was always Ajio. The sort of stuff you can get on Ajio, you cannot get it anywhere, and I swear on that. Footwear on Ajio, mind-blowing, never found anywhere, so definitely check that out. Secondly, there's a site called Street Style Store, right? It is only a site, there's no app for it. So that site also has like a lot of alternatives for footwear. You can definitely check them out. But remember, you know, the kind of quality you get for Ajio, you won't get for Street Style Store. So remember that. The third thing with Club Factory and Shein was the accessories, and the sort of accessories they had, you cannot buy them anywhere. It was like so on a budget and so affordable, it really cannot be found anywhere else, and unfortunately I haven't found it anywhere else, but I have to check that out, so please wait for a video totally based for accessories. Okay, so next up we have is bags and accessories like, you know, sunglasses, belts and all that stuff, bags and wallets and all that stuff. I would definitely recommend you to go for Myntra. Myntra does have a lot of really pretty, classy, chic bags, and I think along with Myntra, Ajio does have them as well, so definitely Myntra and Ajio, go for them. Next up is home decor stuff. Now I recently splurged a lot on home decor and storage organization stuff. For home storage and organization, Shein was on a little costly side, but Club Factory had a lot of alternatives on a very affordable side. But at the same time, Amazon and Flipkart had those same things at almost same prices. So Amazon and Flipkart should be your home decor / storage organization go-to. So yeah. Then next up is nail art sort of things, and you know, like beauty brushes, all these blenders and that type of stuff, you know, all that miscellaneous stuff, beauty stuff. I was planning to do a whole dedicated nail stuff sort of video from Shein, and I have bought a lot of fake nails from Shein as well, and I really love Shein for that thing. Since she is gone now, I think you can find all the stuff on Amazon and Flipkart. You know, Amazon and Flipkart almost have like same sort of stuff, so you can definitely try one of them, you know, according to what you get better right? So Amazon and Flipkart definitely will be my go-to for this stuff. Yeah. And last up, what we have is lingerie. Now, Shein did not provide like a lot of, Club Factory and Shein both did not provide like a lot of branded lingerie. It was like something you can just make work with, right? But did have some really chic and classy pieces. So since that is gone, the two sites that I have invested in lingerie is Clovia and Zivame. I would recommend you Zivame more than Clovia, because I felt the quality with Zivame was much better than Clovia itself. I recently actually purchased from both Zivame and Clovia, and I really loved Zivame a lot. So definitely go for Zivame. Zivame is like your top one for lingerie, right? Clovia isn't that bad either, but I think because in the first time when I online shop for lingerie, I bought it from Clovia, and it could have been my fault as well. So I think I would really recommend both of them on the same note. So Zivame and Clovia for lingerie. I said what I said. So I think these were most of the categories that I remember from the apps, because since the apps are uninstalled, I don't even remember the exact categories they had. You know, the maximum categories that I could remember, and I really, you know, remembered, I just put them all. If there is something left, please let me know. And also, if you have some good alternatives for accessories, you know, the jewelry, the necklace, layered necklace and earring and all that stuff, do let me know that as well, right? Because, you know, the earrings that I'm wearing right now, both of them were actually from Shein and Club Factory. Memories, good old days. So yeah, let me know in the comment section down below, and hit the like button if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll meet you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.